everyone. So the Success Ladder has here up with another video on addition of two-digit numbers, and it is without regrouping. So let's see how we can add two-digit numbers. So whenever we are talking about two-digit, that means it has two places. One is ones place and another one is tens. So first we'll take 12. Here 2 is at ones place and 1 is at tens place. Then we will be using plus symbol to add, and to 12 we will be adding 2, 3, 23. After this we will be drawing a line to add. Now first we will be adding the ones place digits, that means 2 and 3. So for 2 we will be drawing two sticks. So one stick and the second stick. Similarly, for 3 also, we will be drawing 3 sticks down. 1, 2, and 3. So these all sticks are for ones. You can see here up, O is written. So first we have added for the ones column. Now, while counting all the ones digits, so all the sticks, there are 5 in total. Now it's a turn to add the tens column. So first we have one bundle because it's 10. Then down 2 is written, so we'll be drawing 2 more bundles. So after adding all, you can count the number of bundles. 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 bundles in total. So for tens, we'll be drawing a bundle. Yes, so the answer is 3, 5, 35. So while adding 12 and 23, we have come up with the answer with 35. Here 3 is tens and 5 is ones. Now let's see how we can add using fingers, because it's not necessary that always you have something in your hand. So again, we will be doing for two digit 1 to 12. And to this, we'll be using plus sign to add. And to 12, we will be adding 2, 0, 20. After this, down, we'll be sketching a line to add these two numbers. So first here, we'll be using our fingers to add. So first is a term. 2 is there at ones place, so we'll take out 2 fingers. Yes, 2. So we have taken out 2 fingers, and down there is 0. So we haven't taken out any of the finger. See? So now you have to add the fingers, the total fingers that are opened. So here 2 fingers are opened. Yes, so the answer for ones is 2 only. And like we have done it for ones, now it's a term for doing tens. So for tens, we have opened 1 finger and down 2 is written. So for 2, we will take out our 2 fingers. See, 2 fingers we have taken out, and now it's a turn to add all the fingers that are opened. So above is 1 and down 1 is 2. So we have to count all the fingers that is opened, and we have come up with the answer 3. So in tens column, 3 fingers are open, and in ones, 2 are open. So the answer is 32. Now students, this question you have to do it yourself, and it is also of 2 digit. So we have 1, 4, 14. To this, we will be adding. So for that we have used plus symbol. We have added 3, 1, 31. After that we'll sketch a line. And now students, you have to add 14 and 31. And you can use your fingers to add, because it's not necessary that every time you have something to add. So you can use your fingers to add. So first we'll add ones. So take out 4 fingers because here we have 4 and ones, and then take out one more finger. So 4 finger and 1 finger, and then add all. So by counting all the fingers, we have 5 fingers that are opened. Similarly, we'll be doing it for tens. So for tens, take out 1 finger and take out 3 more fingers, and then add how many fingers are open. So by counting, 4 fingers are open. So the answer is 4, 5, 45. So 14 plus 31 is equals to 45. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone. And if you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.